Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Matching activity. Let's learn about the letter H and match pictures with the correct letters. Part 1. Finding pictures that start with H. Look at the pictures at the top. Can you find the ones that start with the same sound as H? Let's say the words together. Computer, hen, chair, house, cat, almonds, goat, hat. Which words start with H? First, hen. Now, take your pencil and circle the hen and color it. Second, house. Now, circle this. Third, hat. Now, circle the hat and color it. Great job. Let's move to the next section. Part 2. Matching letters with pictures. Now, let's match the letters H, I, G, and F to the correct pictures. H for hat. Draw a line from H to hat. I for ice cream. Draw a line from I to ice cream. G for giraffe. Now draw a line from G to giraffe. F for fish. Finally, draw a line from F to fish. Wow! Now take your crayons and color the fish and hat. Fun fact, did you know? The letter I makes two different sounds. Long sound, ice cream, iron short sound, igloo, insect awesome. You're all doing a fantastic job. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.